Hello guys, so I open up this uh, lawn mower today. It just all of a sudden stopped working. I open it up the button area and see if I would like to see the physical button. I checked and the button looks to me okay because I did not find any problem to the button. For me, I have to open up the main supply unit and see inside if there is anything inside that is not maybe the motor is burned out. I initially thought this button is gone. I got this one as a project last week from somebody. This is it just stopped working all of a sudden. I initially thought this button goes bad, but no, it's not this button. Let we open it up the main frame and see under the frame what's going on with the motor or anything else. So I open it up and look at the armature. How black is that? So let we clean this one and see. And the motor looks to me okay, is not burned out. I can see small cuts here. Those cuts are been made by rodents. They cut the wire. That could be the reason too, is not working. I can see it here. It's cut from here and also cut from here. Maybe the rodents cut the wire and that could be the reason. I need to check the connectivity of the wire. And also first I would like to clean the armature. You can see how black is that, and I'm gonna clean today and see if that make any difference. Let me clean it first, and then after we will see if we have to change the carbon brushes. I also have the carbon brushes available. Let me clean the armature and then we'll see. Thank you. Guys, when I open up the whole thing, the both sides of the armature, carbon brushes, one side of the carbon brush is gone. As you can see it here, it's completely gone. It's supposed to be and also it just melts the plastic there too, if you look closely. And once we change new carbon brush, and hopefully it will fix the issue. I am just changing the whole wire because this wire was, as you can see it here, is damaged, and also it's almost done. The new wire has a better carbon brushes. You can see they're almost full. This was, look, just a tiny bit of left, as you can see it here. This one just a tiny bit of left. Also the wire was damaged. That's the main reason I'm just changing the whole thing. So what I am doing, I am just matching the colors. I match this one here. I already connected. Now I'm going to so the next one is the red one, orange one. Here is the orange is single, and this one I removed it from here. Okay, so this one came from here, match the color. This is done. Okay, so next one is the carbon brush. This is red and white. Okay, here. So we're going to remove. Okay, here. So next one is red and white. Here, this comes here. Okay, next one is black. Black is here. Black is here is the black. Next one is orange. Orange is gone. So orange comes like this. So this is how. So this wire is down. Okay, so next carbon brush is going to come like this. It's gonna, because so we're going to install it. Before we install it, I need to clean the carbon brush. I have the paper here. I'm just going to just gently clean. We're going to put this back here, so like this. So this wire comes here. Let reconnect. So as you can see it, the final conclusion is that the carbon brush was damaged, and what I did, I completely changed the whole wire from older one. As you can see, it's really in bad condition, and so now what we have to do, just reassemble it and use it and see how is the performance. So as you can see it, It was doing little sparking. What I do, I will just clean little bit more the carbon brush area. This armature I have to clean it. I have to make it back to golden color because this is all black, so it's supposed to be golden, and then we're gonna have another try. So I cleaned the carbon brush. You can see it here. It's it was almost black. Now it's a little bit better, as you can see it. I don't want to clean too much. It's going to be, sometime it's going to be short the thing out, so I can move it a little bit. You can see it here. See, it's better than before.